What if AI wasn't fragmented, but unified? Right now, the most powerful technology in human history is scattered.
Thousands of models, millions of agents, billions of ideas, disconnected. This is a problem. We are launching something bigger than a framework. A global AI super harness. A system where agents collaborate, models connect, intelligence compounds. One interface. Shared memory. Autonomous collaboration. Developers. For the world.
If you've ever built an agent, struggled integrating systems, you know something is missing.
This is your invitation to build it. Universal protocols, multi-agent systems, a global intelligence layer. The future of AI will not be built by one company. It will be built by all of us. Join us. Build Meta Harness.